Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Kavita Prashant. Today I am going to discuss with you about the 44 IPA symbols. IPA means International Phonetic Alphabets. There are 44 IPA symbols in English language. Out of these 44 symbols, 20 are called the vowel sounds and the 24 are called the consonant sounds. Out of the 20 vowel sounds, they are again classified into long vowels, short vowels and diphthongs. There are 7 short vowels, 5 long vowels and 8 diphthongs in English. The 24 consonants are again classified into voiced consonants and unvoiced consonants. The voiced consonants are 15 in number and unvoiced are 9 in number. Today I am going to tell you about the short English vowel sounds. Let's get into the video. We are discussing about the short vowel sounds in IPA. A short English vowel is noticeably shorter than a long vowel. An English short vowel is made with only one mouth position. One mouth position is represented by one IPA symbol. There are 7 IPA symbols for English short vowels, and they are E as in pit, A as in pet, A as in pat, as in cut, U as in put, O as in dog, and the last one is called the schwa sound, and it is called the laziest of all the vowel sounds, and its pronunciation is a short sound is used. Moving to the first short vowel, it's E. It's represented by the capital letter I enclosed in 2 slashes, as in fit. I repeat, fit. This dress fits me well. This dress fits me well. The next is pick. I repeat, pick. Let's pick some flowers from the garden. Let's pick some flowers from the garden. The third one is difficult. Difficult. I found the homework very difficult. I found the homework very difficult. The similar sounding words are miss, tip, hit, and kiss. Moving on to the second one, its sound is A. It can be represented as by the small letter E enclosed in 2 slashes, as in pet. I repeat, pet. Sally has a kennel for her pet dog. Sally has a kennel for her pet dog. The next word is sent. I repeat, sent. I sent a birthday cake to my best friend. I sent a birthday cake to my best friend. The next word is attention. Attention. Please pay attention in our EAM class. Please pay attention in our EAM class. The similar sounding words are let, neck, mess, and wet. The third one is the A sound. It's a combination of the letters A and E enclosed in 2 slashes, as in back. I repeat, back. Welcome back to our Zoom session. Welcome back to our Zoom session. The next word is family. Family. My family is everything to me. My family is everything to me. The next word is sat. Sat. A fat black cat sat on a red mat. A fat black cat sat on a red mat. The similar sounding words are pat, flat, hat, and cap. The fourth sound is a sound, as in jump. It's represented by an inverted V enclosed in two slashes. Jump. I repeat, jump. The sly fox jumped over the fence. The sly fox jumped over the fence. The next word is luck. Luck. Wishing you the best of luck for your exams. Wishing you the best of luck for your exams. The next word is cup. Cup. I need a cup of coffee now. I need a cup of coffee now. The similar sounding words are fuzz, cut, and cover. Moving on to the next sound, it's the U sound, as it is represented by a curved U enclosed in two slashes, as in book. I repeat, book. Children have to be encouraged to read books. Children have to be encouraged to read book. Cushion. Cushion. I have changed all the cushion covers. I have changed all the cushion covers. The next word is cook. Cook. I have taught my boys cooking. I have taught my boys cooking. The next word is look. Look. Aisha is looking beautiful in the bridal wear. Aisha is looking beautiful in the bridal wear. The similar sounding words are put, good, and hook. The next symbol is sound is O, and it is represented by a symbol or like a mirror image of small letter A enclosed in two slashes, as in pot. Pot. There are many flowering pots in my garden. There are many flowering pots in my garden. Hot. Hot. Kerala has a hot and humid climate. Kerala has a hot and humid climate. The next is top. Top. I am on the hilltop. I am on the hilltop. The similar sounding words are dog, hospital, socks, and boss. The next sound is the schwa sound, and it is represented by the inverted E enclosed in two slashes, and it sounds like as in apart, apart. We are miles apart in our thoughts. We are miles apart in our thoughts. The next word is minute. Minute. Please take a few minutes to revise our session. Please take a few minutes to revise our session. The next word is carrot. Carrot. I make carrot cakes occasionally. I make carrot cakes occasionally. The similar sounding words are system, complete, pilot, and about. About. That's all about the short English vowel sounds. We will see the long English vowel sounds in the next video. Till then, I am Kavita Prashant signing off from my channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.